Hi, I am N.E. Vitrayana. Today I am share about the information about fiber optic cables. Introduction. In this topic, we cover what is fiber optic cables, application of optics, total internal reflection, how signals are transmitted through the fiber optic cables, advantages of fiber optics and disadvantages of fiber optics. Fiber optic wire. Fiber optic wire is a glass form. It looks like a human hair. In this fiber optic wire, we can pass through data into light form and it achieve high speed in electrical signals. Different types of cables are used for different types of application. Optical fiber cables. It also means fiber optic cables. The center part of core region, the light in core region, light travels from one end to another end. The above layer is cladding. It helps the light travel in core region in efficient manner. Above strengthened layers used to protect the cables. Application of fiber optics. Cable companies are used for the fiber optic cables and nodes serve 200 to 2000 people, local area networks, power companies, telephone communication and broadcastings are used majorly the fiber optic cables. Index refraction. When a ray of light pass through from air medium to prism, a glass medium, there will be changes in ray of light, that is refracted ray, and the changes values is called refractive index. Total internal reflection. When a ray of light pass through the medium and it is reflected is called total internal reflection. To achieve this state, we doping impurity in glass medium, the refractive index changes slightly, come to the critical angle. Further doping impurity, the ray of light reflected completely. In otherwise, we can change an angle above the critical angle. The light reflected this way is also. Mostly the change in critical angle only we are used in fiber optic cables to achieve more efficient. The light bounces boundary of the core region and travel to the other end of the cable. Mostly light need air medium. Uh, in outer region of core to travel efficiently. To compensate these, we used cladding above core region in low refractive indexed cladding. We are covered above the core region. It helps. It helps like air medium. Advantages of fiber optics. It is inexpensive, thinner, higher carrying capacity, less signal degradation, non-flammable. Disadvantages of fiber optics: incompatible with old copper wire, splitting and bottlenecks. Data communication in fiber optic cable. In this fiber optic cables is mostly used to transmit data in light way. That only we are used that. The input binary data transmitted into light by transmitter and passes through the cable, fiber optic cable, and the detector receive the light and transmit into binary code. Again, when the pass value is 1, the light is on, and the pass value is 0, the light is off. Fiber optic modes. There are two types of fiber optic modes: single mode and multi-mode. In single mode, we can only pass through one light at a time, and multi-mode we can pass through several lights data in the multi-mode. You see that core region multimode core region, there are three more lights are bounces and travel. Usage of amplifiers. Amplifiers are used to strengthen the light source in fiber optic wire without converting of electrical signals. When light source travels a long distance, it lose strength and very low. By to solve this problem, we need to strengthen the weakened signals into strengthened signals by using amplifiers. Amplify strengthen weak signals into higher boosted signals. It travels efficiently to reach the destination. Summary: fiber optic cables are connected to all over the world. That only we transfer the data and internet all over the world. Length of the cable fixed all over the world is equal to 770 times travel around the earth. It achieved high speed of internet at a range of 43 terabyte speed. Data and internet providers are maintained these fiber optic cables. Our internet and data sharing are by these fiber optic cables only. The whole world are connected to through fiber optic cables, and we share our information to all over the world. Thank you.